We have a 2014 Ford Focus SE, four-door sedan, previous government fleet vehicle, super well maintained, bright red in color. Your spoiler, great fuel economy. These get in the neighborhood of 40 miles per gallon on the highway. It's got a very clean body, no real dents or scratches on it. Factory warranty until next August or 60,000 miles, whatever comes first. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. This one's not been cleaned on the inside yet, so this will look a whole lot better when you come see it. Automatic headlights, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel stereo controls, steering wheel, your driver information center, your steering wheel stereo controls over there, heat and air conditioning, sync, hands-free Bluetooth, CD player, auxiliary input for MP3, side impact, side curtain airbags, nice roomy interior, nice big back seat. Back seat does fold down flat. Nice big trunk area. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open till 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.